Hello friends, in this video let's get started with touch capacitive sensor. Features and specifications of this sensor. Working voltage of this sensor is 2 volts to 5.5 volt. Response time of this sensor is 60 milliseconds and this sensor can replace the present used switches. Principle of this sensor in capacitive touch sensors: the electrode represents one of the plates of the capacitor. The output capacitance will increase if a conductive object touches or approaches the sensor electrode. Now let's make basic project with this sensor. Components required for this project are Arduino Uno, touch capacitive sensor, some jumper cables. Now let's make connections. The connections are ground pin of sensor to ground of Arduino and the VCC pin of sensor to 5-volt pin of Arduino and the digital PIC of sensor to pin number 2 of Arduino. Now let's get into the programming part. Done uploading.